Hey, what's up everyone? All right, we're back. Got some work done, got some updates. Let me show you what all I did. Again, sorry I didn't actually video doing all this. I kept getting in those modes where it's like, all right, I'll do something real quick, and then it turns up to be all day. All right, so just a little overview. Obviously I got the intake manifold on. We'll get to that in a minute. I got my manifolds ready to accept turbo and painted, and I got my steering shaft in. Yes, it does look pretty crazy, but yes, it does work. Yes, it's got some pretty tight clearances here, but I can get my finger all the way around it, so that's good. Got the radiator in. That radiator is actually for, I think, like a 55 Ford some sort of truck with an LS swap, because it's got the right locations and sizes for radiator hoses, but it's got the right size radiator for that truck, and it's pretty massive radiator. Came with the fan, so that's cool. Let's see, I got my overflow bottle. Heck yeah, that's plumbed up. Got my AC lines made. And then there's this one too, going up there. I got the fuel system's basically done. Fuel pressure regulator. So let's see, the fuel comes up from the post filter after the pump into the regulator, then from the regulator up to the fuel rails, and then return line down here. All right, so for the intake manifold, you remember I was worried about the tight fit behind the intake manifold. So let me show you what we got. All right, so intake manifold, and oh, it fits, but I did have to modify this housing. I had to beat it in a little bit right here. Luckily, the inside of this housing is there's actually a lot of free space in there between this actual housing and the rotor of the blower motor. So I was able to beat that in without affecting anything physically. So it fits, it's good. I did have to, well, I may not have had to, but I did grind a little bit off the intake manifold. So you can see, like on this side, this little edge right here, it doesn't exist on that side anymore, which is fine. It is what it is. But now when I turn my air conditioner on, the blower doesn't work. So gotta figure that out, but that's something else. Hopefully it's just I blew a fuse or something. I haven't looked into it at all. I'm gonna worry about it later. What we're gonna do today is the fun stuff. Oh yeah, baby. Got the turbos, wastegates, blow off valve, oxygen sensors, filters, random piping laying around waiting to do all this work. Oh yeah, it's coming along. Let's go. reached a stopping point for this evening. Got the turbos on, wastegates on. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Very excited. I'm loving the fact that there's so much room. No engine bay to worry about, no fenders to get in the way of anything, nothing. No hood that I have to worry about. Oh yeah. Okay, all right. I think I'm gonna wind up putting my O2 sensors about right here. Oops, sorry. Probably in this area. I don't want to put it here because I want there to be enough time for all 4 cylinders to mix together real good so the O2 sensor gets a really accurate reading of the bank. So we'll do that tomorrow or the next day sometime. I don't know.